Hi guys, I hope that you're very well. It's Sylvana here and I am back for a new video on the Jewels and Gems YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today, let's talk about the full moon. Yes, because the full moon is coming. It's getting very close now. So I thought, let's just discuss about what are some crystals that I usually love to work with or recommend to my beloved followers, customers, clients, friends, everyone out there that's into crystals. And I just want a little bit of crystal magic during the full moon to make the most out of that beautiful full moon energy. Yeah, just add a little bit of crystal magic during their full moon ritual or any other type of ritual they might hold during this time of the month. Because yes, the full moon is an event that occurs approximately every 29 to 30 days. So that means there is one full moon every month. That makes it the perfect time usually to let go of everything, pretty much everything that prevents you from being the best version of yourself. And we use usually this time of the month to really try to harness everything that the full moon is about and that beautiful energy it holds through what we call a full moon ritual. So there's different ways you can do that. I'm not going to go too much into details here, but you can do different things from setting your intentions, creating a moon bath. You can do a candle flame release, journaling session, you can do a meditation, everything. There's just so much more things you can do. But the key element here is to really, I suppose, if you are into crystals or if you started to broaden your spectrum in your spiritual journey, is really to surround yourself with this selection of healing crystals I'm going to share with you today that in my mind are perfect for channeling the full moon's energy. That's literally what we're going to talk about today. So a full moon ritual would be the perfect opportunity to get those crystals out and make the most out of them through, for example, an intentional ceremony or a symbolic action. That's kind of what a ritual means. And you do that every full moon. And you create for yourself a full moon ritual, I suppose, to imbue your life with the symbolic and the energetic qualities of the full moon, such as power, amplification, the divine feminine energy, enhanced intuition, insight, and so much more. So I'm going to share with you guys now some of my favorite, all-time favorite crystals for the full moon. Along with that, I'm going to show them to you. I'm going to also discuss very briefly what they are known for, why are those ones good for that particular event, and maybe at the end I might even share with you how you can use them. We'll see how we get on. So first of all, I have them all in my little pouch, so I'm going to show them to you all here, my little Jewels and Gems pouch. So actually we're going to start with this one. I'm going to keep this one for the end. Let's start with this one here. So what is this, guys? This is, for those of you that are not familiar with that, that is Owlite. White Owlite is beautiful. It's very soothing, protective. It's great for attunement, so you can see why it makes sense for the full moon, because it's all about releasing anxiety, tension, and stress. And what I really love about Owlite is that it's great to really boost and facilitate self-awareness and really encourage us to express our emotions. And by doing so, this is the path towards healing pain, healing stress, healing anxiety. You have to go through that process, and that's why I love working with Owlite. Great for meditation, so you definitely great choice. And yeah, just to expand your horizons, letting go of what no longer serves you. This is gonna be your friend here. Then the next one is gonna be clear quartz. Yes, you can see this one is very clear. How cool. Clear quartz is kind of a staple for me, regardless of what's going on, regardless of the overall event. Clear quartz is known as the master healer. That's how I like to call it. It's very much so a high vibrational crystal, so that will be all about amplifying the positive energy in your surrounding, in your environment, within yourself and all around you. So it makes it a great crystal for mental clarity, which is something that at this time of the month we all need, and because it really is going to allow us to really focus on what truly matters, because clarity is everything, guys. And by doing so, it's great. It's a great crystal to really help us to ease those changes, those transitions, those cycles that we're going through, such as the full moon, for example, and really allow us to stay authentic to ourselves. Definitely, that makes it a great choice for this time of the month. Then I think this one is kind of obvious. I think a lot of people would be familiar and work with this one. Next one is going to be obviously amethyst. Amethyst is wonderful that way, especially for the full moon, because it's really about you know, it is a natural tranquilizer, so you're talking about peace, stability, calmness, all in a crystal. So that makes it great for healing, for cleansing, and really cultivate that element of inner peace and tranquility within ourselves, in order to reconnect with our deeper inner self in a more peaceful and accepting way at the end of the day. And especially during a full moon, I feel it's very important, because there could be a lot of emotions, a lot of triggering emotions that could rise up, and it's important to have a crystal that really is going to allow this to happen, because it's okay. It's okay to let those emotions resurface. It's all about what do you do with it, how do you handle it. And you know, with amethyst and its beautiful energy, I always like to suggest it really to focus on that sense of you know, calmness, calm after the storm, you know, and yeah, just overall peaceful vibes, you know, and going back to stability after the storm, basically. Next is this one here. I absolutely love blue Angelite. We've got a video dedicated to blue Angelite on the channel. To be honest with you, most of those crystals you'll see here, we actually have specific videos dedicated to them. If you want to learn even more about them, if you feel that that's not enough for you and you really want to dive deeper, you can check our channel. There's a lot of very specific videos, but here we're just talking in general. Blue Angelite is gonna be very much so about connecting with that angelic guidance, angelic protection, obviously Angelite as the name suggests. So that means really deepening that sense of attunement, that healing process, and really allowing us to open ourselves to what our consciousness and to what that can hold for us, and promoting our sense of inner deeper truth, allowing us to express our intuition, allowing ourselves to really embody compassion, because during this time of the month you really need to be compassionate towards your own self, and really doing so through a beautiful release of stress and anxiety, which is all about Angelite, because it is a very calming and soothing crystal, but at the same time facilitating forgiveness, restoring tranquility of the soul in times of chaos and stress, is very much so Angelite's vibe. And last but not least, I have to say, maybe probably my personal favorite among them all. I feel that you cannot have enough Selenite. Yes, Selenite for me is one of those, like, just by looking at it, it just makes me feel so light and calm. It's a high vibrational crystal here that you can see this, that's just the way it is. When it kind of glows when exposed to natural light. It's a very unique one, very unusual one, and you can see it literally radiates light energy, and that's why I love it so much. It's about purifying the environment, really cleansing that energy around it. It can be your own energy, it can be the energy of your crystals, it can be the energy of your space. It literally works with it all, literally. And by removing those negative energies, vibrations around, surrounding it, it's going to allow us to make space for powerful new positive energy. And that's why it combines very well, it resonates very well with clear quartz, because clear quartz is going to be an amplifier, it's going to be an energizer. So you're going to have the beautiful selenite here, it's all about cleansing, healing, and then you're going to have the clear quartz we talked about previously, which is all going to be about boosting that beautiful positive vibrations. And it's really, selenite is really about removing that, and at the same time allowing you to be in flow with you know, with your own self and with your environment, with the universe, whichever way you like to call it. And yeah, definitely the literally light energy in a crystal, that's the one here. So beautiful, pure and light, and it really holds it all. So yeah, that would be my selection of my personal favorite crystals to use during a full moon. And what you can do is I have designed this kit. This is actually a kit that I'm showing you here that you can get your hands on through our website, jewelsandgems.shop. You'll find the link, of course, in the bio, in the crystal kit section. And you know, this kit for me is very powerful because these are literally the crystals that I personally use myself, that I recommend to people around me, to my one-on-one clients, to my friends, to everybody. And it's really great to take it out every time there is a full moon, to really release all that stagnant energy that is just no longer serving you, that you do not longer need. And that can be everything from, you know, energy you would have accumulating from a bad habit you have that you want to dissolve, or maybe a relationship that you've been going through that is just not really serving you, or that is just not bringing you the energy that you need for you to be able to function in a beautiful, authentic way. Or, you know, even just a thought pattern or ideas or a mindset that is only stopping you from being the best version of yourself. All those elements work. Bring out your crystals, meditate with them, work with them, use them while you're doing your crystal grid or throughout your your full moon ritual. And yeah, just experiment with it, see how you get on, you know. And hopefully you will get a lot of positive energy and you will feel revitalized you know, afterwards. And if you do not have a full moon ritual, or if it's not something you practice, I absolutely definitely I'd recommend you start now, because it's one of those things that it's a habit. It's gonna have to be something that you will have to learn to stick to, but it's gonna be for your benefit, because like there's something so magical about the moon. The moon really, especially for us women, it reminds us about the beauty of living in a cyclical way, and the strength and the power that comes with it. And what makes us so powerful as women literally can be seen through the moon and what the moon is all about. And you know, taking that time to celebrate the moon, celebrate yourself, you know, because you also hold the divine feminine, that beautiful inner goddess energy within yourself. You just have to open yourself to see it and receive it. And it's all there for you. Now it's all about starting your beautiful journey towards, you know, self-awareness, self-love, and you know, becoming the most authentic version of yourself that you can be. You know, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comment section below, guys, what do you think about those crystals? How do they resonate with you? Which one is maybe your own personal favorites that you would use during a full moon. Or if there is another crystal that you love to use during a full moon, please let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you guys as always. And if you could please give this video a thumbs up, that would be great. It shows me that you're enjoying this content, and it gives me an idea of what should be the direction for this journey together on YouTube. And thank you so much guys for watching. I wish you all a beautiful day, a beautiful week, and I will be talking to you soon. Thank you so much.